Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Airlive 2.4 GHz N300 Wireless Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug your Airlive N300 extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable, not blinking. This means the extender is ready. On your main Wi-Fi router, locate the WPS button, usually marked WPS or with a 2-arrow icon. Press and hold the WPS button on the router for about 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS LED will start blinking, meaning it is searching for a WPS-enabled device to connect with. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Airlive N300 extender. The extender's WPS LED will start blinking, showing it is trying to pair with the router. After about 30 to 60 seconds, the extender will connect to your router automatically. The extender's signal LED should turn solid green or blue, depending on model. This means the connection is successful. If the LED stays red or off, repeat the process. Place the extender closer to the router for first-time setup. Once the connection is successful, unplug the extender and place it in an area midway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Plug it back in and wait for the LED to stabilize. The extender will now broadcast an extended Wi-Fi signal, same SSID as your router, or sometimes with _EXT at the end. Now your Airlive N300 extender is set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.